Come on. Pull him in, pull him in, pull him in. 10, 9, 8, 7. You running, you running. I want you to pull your knees in, Roxanne. Let's go. Come on. 10. There you go, Cass. Stay with it, baby. Come on. 9, 8, 7. Come on. 6, 5. Come on, Keish. 3, 2. I need you to stay right there. 1. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Find that air. Find the air. And 5, 4. You're going to do it again. 3, 2. There. You pull him in. Pull him in. Did she say a drink of her damn hand? All right. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. They out here, y'all. Early in the morning. Let's go. Come on. When you get back, when you get down there, we're going to come up backwards.
It's all, we're all sweaty and funky. It's okay.
1, 2, 3. You guys have
Survive Skittles!
fuck out of here. Yeah! Girl, stop playing with me.
Do it again.
Take 2. If the red, y'all Aggie. 2, 1. You guys have
Survive Skittles!
yes. Sweat like a pig.
Look like a hawk!
Eat clean.
Drink dirty!
Cass is a mess. Okay, ready? Strike a pose. Boom.